the book What If? We Journey Down the Rabbit Hole, chapter 44, it attempts to give a general overview of some of the research behind being able to be in two places at the same time. It talks about many people, a few people in history, that there was evidence that they were seen in two places at the same time. So this book talks about that, and I wanted to kind of describe it here in this picture here. So first, what I wanted to say was, first, a light. Okay, regular light acts, there's a double slit experiment. There's a light, goes through the double slit. Part of the light goes through one way, the other goes through one way, and where the two lights meet, it crosses and it forms a wave, right? Second, then the scientists decided, okay, what about a particle? How does a particle tend to act? So particles of sand, there's two slits. It goes down the slits. You've got two areas where it goes down, right? Different from the wave, multiple areas. Okay. So then what they did was they took the slit, they closed one slit, and what they did was they took a single atom, smaller than a particle, single atom. They closed one slit and wanted to see what the atom would do. And what the atom would do is it basically went through just one slit. Okay. And then what happened? They decided, okay, let's open both slits. So they opened both slits, and what happened? Instead of acting like a particle going through one at a time, instead what had happened was they opened the slits and it acted like a wave. So remember, in order to form a wave, you've got an atom crossing and being in two places at one time in order to create this wave where there's multiple places where these atoms can be. So then what they did was, okay, they put a little observer. So this device right here acts as an observer. And they wanted to see what would happen if there was an observer. So this observer is similar to what someone watching us, or just basically our own thoughts or other energies interfering in our world, I guess, right? So you've got two slits, and then what would happen? It basically, what would happen was the atom was just either in one place or the other. That's it. And then what they did was they took this observer, they left it there, but turned it off. And what happened? It acted again like a wave. So what this is basically saying is, if there's other energies interfering with ours, and that energy can just be our own thought, right? Our thought that we can't do something limiting our own energies. And if that thought interferes with what we actually can do, we end up only being able to act and be in one place at one time. However, if we were to act at our fullest potential and be like these atoms at their fullest potential, then we could be in two places at one time. I don't know. So they were able to prove this at the very atomic level, and now they're trying to prove it more with larger objects. But that's kind of hard, right? Because even our skin is not actually solid. Our skin is made of many, many atoms moving so fast at the same time, making it seem like we're solid when we're actually not. So anyway, restore your center with some information to think about. Thanks. Bye.